Hello everyone, this is Doris from Sawmill-World. Today I will introduce you our automatic pallet nailing machine. With 15-inch touching screen, you can set the position and the numbers of nails, adjust the nail speed, and it can monitor and troubleshoot faults remotely and update the program for life remotely. We use Siemens PLC chained electrical components. American stainless postage nail guns. Taiwan Air Mac solenoid valve and cylinders. The American MAC solenoid valve is used to control the reaction speed of the nail guns. Aviation quick plug is easy for wiring, and one-person operation, automatic nailing, automatic palletizing, and automatic transportation. There are many types of pallets can be made, such as flying swing pallets, solid wood pallets, plywood pallets. The wooden pallets with 1, 2, 3, 4 beams or 3 beams can be made. 4 beams switch to 3 beams is simple. Just lose the top and bottom 4 screws, mold the nail guns, and remove the air pipe of the nail guns. The size of the pallets can be customized. The length of the beam can't exceed 1.3 meters, otherwise can't fit in the container. The machine is sprayed with plastic, which is not easy to rust. About the hydraulic palletizing is more powerful. That's all, thank you.
Hi, I'm Gloria from Sawmill-World. This is our Euro-type pallet automatic nailing production line. This production line consists of the control cabinet, the block nailing machine, the automatic nailing machine, the rotary machine, the branding machine, the angle cutting machine, the pallet turning machine, and the palletizer and conveyor. This production line is used to make the R-shaped, trans-shaped, and fly wing pallet. And this is the automatic block nailing machine. It used to connect the block and the board. Also, it can make about 750 pieces per hour. Here is the control board. You can set the nailing method. It has 5 kinds. You can nail 1 nail, 2 nails, 3 nails, 4 nails, and 5 nails. And it uses the chained electric component, and the PLC is Siemens. Also, this machine uses 3 nail guns. The nail gun is postage, and the nail uses the 70 millimeter nails. Here we can put about 2,000 nails in a row. This is the storage air tank. It used to instant replenishment, and it used the This is the automatic nailing machine. It uses the control cabinet to control it. With the control cabinet, it has the 15-inch touch screen. You can set the nail number, position, and adjust the nailing speed. We can also achieve the remote control and troubleshoot faults, and we can upgrade programs for life. Here we use the aviation plug for easy wiring. For this machine, we have 6 nail guns. 3 is CN80 and 3 is CN58. The CN80 is used to nail the block, and the CN58 is used to nail the board. Here we can put the row of nails, and here we can move it. It's used the solenoid valve and cylinder of the brand is Taiwan AirTech, and the MAC high-speed solenoid valve is used to control the reaction speed of the nail gun. Here we can use the foot switch to take out and put the pallets here. We have an alarm, and it can work when there is danger. The electrical component is changed, and the PLC is Siemens. Here we also use the aviation plug. And the motor power is to control the nailing number, nailing speed, and the stroke. This is the wood pallet rotary machine. It's used with the branding machine. It can rotate 90 degrees according to the branding position of the pallet. This is our pallet branding machine. It's used the automatic electrical engine, and the printing mode is copper, and we can customize the printing mode. We have the IPC and the IPPC mode. This is our wood pallet angel cutting machine. It uses the automatic electric engine, and it has the high-speed motor power. It can achieve 2,008 rounds per minute, and easy to fix. We cut the angel in case of the scratches of the pallet. This is our pallet turning machine. It's used for the pallet turning. Using it is very convenient for the storage and conveyor of the pallet. This one is our palletizer. It's used to storage the pallet, and here we can see the hydraulic pump. We use the hydraulic palletizer, so it's very powerful. And to maintain it, we add the 46 hydraulic oil. And to maintain the chain bearing and the leading screw, we add the butter. And to maintain the gearbox, we add the mixture of engine oil and the lubricating oil. And this is our conveyor. We can put our platform over here, and for the palletizer and conveyor, we can put about 25 pallets and not over 1,000 kilograms one time. If we put over 25 pallets in one time, the whole production line will be suspected for safety production, and our machine is sprayed with powder, which is not easy to rust.
Hi, this is Ilya from Sawmill-World. This is a sawdust pallet block hot pressing machine. This machine has a double-sided double outlet. High production efficiency is 4 to 5 cubic meter per 24 hours. And this standard machine is equipped with circular saws at both ends to cut the wood block. The machine uses waste wood and wood shavings as raw material, which are dried in a dryer and mixed with glue and formed by one-time hot pressing. It is beautiful and clean, and the finished product has high waterproofness and strong nailing force. And the product finished size can be customized, and a set of molds are randomly included.
Hello, this is Sandro from Sawmill-World. Now let us introduce our hydraulic horizontal bandsaw. For this machine is our automatic tip. First, this is our electric control panel. For this, it has the emergency stop, that indicates lights, motor start, motor stop. It can adjust the cutting speed. For this machine, if you're cutting hardwood, you can adjust it slowly. If you're cutting the softwood, you can adjust it faster. And this is inch up and inch down. It's for cutting the saw head up and down. And this is control the saw head forward and backward. And this for setting the cutting size. This is our touch screen. At the touch screen, we can set in our cutting size. For the touch screen, we have two language controls, English and Chinese. If you want to need other language, we can also customize for you. And for our machine, we also have the wireless remote. We can use this for control our saw height. And here we can control our hydraulic function. This is our saw height. For this machine, it have 4 motors. This is a main motor for control the saw height running, and this motor is for control the saw height move forward and backward, and that motor is for control the saw height move up and down. And here it also has a hydraulic pump, electric motor for control the hydraulic function. For our machine, it also uses the aviation plug for easy wiring. And this is an electric cabinet. For our cabinet, inverse is use Siemens. The PLC is from Taiwan, and the electric component is from Trent. And for our machines, it also use hydraulic tighten the bandsaw blade. And next is our, and this is for output sawdust. For our machine, it uses a carbide bandsaw blade. It's suitable for cutting the hardwood. After cutting, the surface of plank is smooth. For this machine, the width of the bandsaw blade is 60 mm. And our machine also has a water spring system for cooling the bandsaw blade and remove the sawdust of the blade. And this is an automatic return hook. After cutting, when the saw head return, it can push the upper plank to return also. And for our machine, the diameter of the saw wheel is 720 mm. And this is a hydraulic log loading arm. It's used for loading the logs on the wheel bed. And this is a roller. This hydraulic roller used for control the logs move forward and backward. And this one is a hydraulic rotation clamp used for rotates and fix the wood on the wheel. And this one is our hydraulic log chain rotation used for rotate the logs on the wheel. And this one is the hydraulic roller for adjust the logs up and down when the logs have large or small size. And that one is a hydraulic log stop puller. When we loading or rotate the machine to prevent the logs fall down. Okay, that's all.